Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagels soft again. First, understand that moisture and gentle heat are your best friends for reviving a stale bagel. We'll cover a few simple, effective methods that you can use right in your kitchen. Choose the one that best fits your available tools and how quickly you need that delicious, soft texture back. It's easier than you think to enjoy a fresh-tasting bagel. The oven method is fantastic for a consistently soft result. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The trick here is to wrap your bagel completely in aluminum foil. This traps the moisture, allowing the bagel to rehydrate without drying out. Bake it for about 5 to 7 minutes. When it comes out, it will be wonderfully warm and soft, just like new. For a super quick fix, the microwave can work wonders. Lightly dampen a paper towel, making sure it's not dripping wet. Wrap your bagel in this damp towel. Then microwave it for about 15 to 20 seconds. The moisture from the towel, combined with the microwave's heat, will quickly soften the bagel. Be careful not to overdo it, or it might become chewy. Steaming is arguably the best way to bring a bagel back to life, as it infuses the most moisture. Bring a small amount of water to a boil in a pot. Place your bagel in a steamer basket above the boiling water, ensuring it doesn't touch the water. Steam it for 2 to 3 minutes. This gentle, moist heat will make your bagel incredibly soft and chewy, almost like it just came from the bakery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.